Welcome back to the MoneyWiseSmart multi-bagger research series, where today we're going to continue the conversation on Upwork, the world's largest online marketplace for freelancers. Since starting our coverage of this name in November 2019, the stock has appreciated nearly 300%. If you want to continue to learn from and receive content from our deep dive research, please click the like button below and subscribe to our page. In our last video, we gave a detailed overview of the company's management team and their backgrounds. Today, we're going to be discussing the compensation structure of these executives and why we believe that their incentives make us confident that this company will continue to be a multi-bagger going forward. Here's our normal disclaimer for you to read. As a reminder, today's video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be thought of as an investment recommendation. In that last video, we provided an overview for the executives shown on the screen here and explained why their background give us confidence in their ability to continue generating robust growth and taking over the freelance industry. So looking at the incentive programs and compensation of these executives, what you can see is that the majority of their income is generated through annual bonuses and long-term equity incentives. We think that this is good for investors and part owners in the company because it allows management to generate their income by meeting rigorous targets to generate growth, income, and returns for the business. As you can see, of the 4 main listed employees in the recent proxy statement, more than half of their compensation was generated from stock and other incentives, making them more incentivized to work harder to continue generating the type of performance this business has contributed since becoming a public company. As recently as December of 2020, the executive and director's ownership in stock is listed below. As you can see, the top executives and directors in the company, all 11 of them included, own nearly 10% of the business, which at its current market price represents just shy of $600 million worth of stock. But what makes this interesting to us is the unvested and underlying stock options that the management team is currently holding and the incentive structure that these will vest to.
As you can see, the CEO, Hayden Brown, has over 800,000 unexercised options at an exercise price below $4 a share, in addition to 700,000 of unvested shares in stock award that is worth over $24 million.
In addition, the CFO and head of sales all also have compensation tied to these type of share classes. But when we look at how this incentive program vests, what we find interesting is Hayden Brown, the CEO's stock performance award structure of nearly 1.5 million shares has two ways in which they vest. One, as the stock price appreciates to certain preset price targets, and 2, as she maintains the role of CEO due to good performance. And what you can see is these stock awards vest in greater amounts as the share price appreciates, with the biggest award coming if shares of Upwork exceed $100 per share, in which case 500,000 shares will vest for the CEO. Looking at the price, as last reported, this is 100% appreciation from the stock price just above $50. We believe that these incentive targets will help drive motivation to continue generating robust returns for the company, pushing the stock price higher for us as owners. So as you can see from the prior couple videos, Upwork has a very strong management team that has both been with the company for a very long time and has extensive experience throughout the tech industry. And more importantly, to compound and help us gain confidence in their desire to perform well for us as owners, their incentive structure is formed in a way that motivates them to generate returns for shareholders. And we think that this alignment is another reason why Upwork is a great company to follow and why we will continue to be doing research on the company through our multi-bagger research series. At MoneyWiseSmart, we do deep dive research into high quality companies that we look at as great long-term investments. Some of the work we have done is available for free on our website as part of our free research series. You can check that out at the link below. We aim to help you learn to compound your wealth. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our page. And we'll be back with another video soon.